Hi, everybody. Adam Savage here in my cave with a show and tell about cases. Is that my camera? Yeah. No, it's over there. Hi. Anybody who's watched any of my live streams knows that the doorbell rings often with some packages. And in addition to keeping the shop stocked, as I do, and I like keeping it like a hardware store and getting my materials that I need, I am also a profligate eBay surfer. And one of the things I'm always interested in is weird cases. I love strange cases. Actually, wait, let me show you a couple examples. Here's one I bought for like $4, $6 or something. I think this is a gun oil case. I think these mean like a heavy and light oil in some other language. I could be wrong about that. Correct me in the comments. But I bought this just because I love things that I don't know what they're for. And obviously I love lots of little cool cases, right? I'm trying to see if there's another one. I mean, I just love like big weird boxes. Obviously I do, because I make them all the time. So I'm also always looking for boxes. Oh yeah, here we go. I'll show you. All right. So like, I think the best example of cases that I love is my Captain America Winter Soldier case, which is a former shipping crate. Back in the 60s, there wasn't all this cardboard everywhere. And so often when people had to ship stuff, they used reusable shipping cases. And Zarges, Z-A-R-G-E-S, go Google them because they make all your favorite cases from movies, even though they're just like a garbage can and equipment case manufacturer out of Europe. Their stuff is beautiful and often hard to find and expensive here. But I found these. I found some of these long shipping crates they made out of aluminum that collapse down to like 1.5 inches thick, but are really large. So I took one and I modified it. We can include some B-roll from that build right now as I'm talking about it. But this is like a great example of me spending a lot of time on eBay looking at cases, trying to like, well, look, sometimes you're just looking for a point of view. Sometimes you're like, oh, that's a kind of case I haven't seen before. That's interesting. And sometimes I'm trying to solve a problem and I don't know how I'm going to solve that problem, but I know that the answer lies in some sort of case. So I'll go looking for other cases that fit the bill for what I want. Anyway, today, 2 cases showed up. Why am I giving you the finger? Today, 2 cases showed up that are great examples of like super deals that are really neat. And I have no idea what I'm going to use them for, but it's going to be awesome. The first one is this guy. I picked this up on eBay just last week. I think I paid $30 for it. This is amazing. This is freaking beautiful. Hold on, let me just see if this is oh, yeah. So this is enameled steel. Yeah. Which is super awesome. And it opens from the end. Ooh, sorry, here we go. It opens from the end, and as you can see, the interior is like, that's fantastic. Oh, I think I know what I might store in here. Anyway, this is a phenomenal case. Obviously, I love this kind of cases because I buy this kind of hardware and I put these things together all the time here. This actually has a label that is reasoning skills on the job. And that is the label. Can you see that even? There you go. Reasoning skills on the job. You see this very 1970s graphic of the side elevation of a person's head, very graphical. And they're thinking about stuff. And that stuff is in several categories. This could have been some sort of workplace paperwork holder for a talk that you brought someone in. But I mean, this is just great. This is a tabula rasa for me. It means that there's one case that I don't have to build, at least, which is always happy for me. What a stunner. There's no manufacturer's mark on this that I could find. I mean, which speaks to it probably being a pretty cheap thing. But it's a great. This is what I live for on eBay. Also, by the way, the person that shipped this just put a label on it. The FedEx guy just handed it to me like this. I kind of appreciate that. This is fabulous. The other case is even better, even more cool. It is from India, or is it Pakistan? India. Here it is. Here is the box. Look at this. Look at this thing. All right, so yeah, we got this. So you could wear it like a purse. I swear, the next time I'm going on a red carpet, I think this will be my clutch. So there's that, and then this. It's got a little locking hasp. This is all cast aluminum hardware. Sorry, it's all cast aluminum hardware, and the inside lined in a burgundy felt. It's like they knew I was coming. Who knows what this held? Who knows what was sold for it? All it says on it is natural aluminum. Wait, where is it? There it is. Natural aluminum made in India, as opposed to the unnatural aluminum. And you don't want to buy any boxes made out of unnatural aluminum, only natural aluminum. Ooh, reflections. I didn't have much. Ooh. Ooh. Sorry. Okay, clearly I'm not sorry. I think I'm done. Okay. I'm sorry. I didn't have much that I wanted to talk about in the show and tell. I just wanted you to kind of get a sense of my pathology. And I was particularly delighted to receive both of these cases this week. I may hit this with some metal polish just to kind of reset it. Sometimes I do that with a thing that comes in. I do a little bit of hammering and just sort of fixing up on it so that I feel like, yeah, to reset. It's a reset is exactly what it is. I think I'm going to do that. Oh, wow. Yeah. I'm not trying to be too precious about this. I'm just trying to, like I said, reset it, right? Bring it back to a kind of level of weathering that feels like it happened on my watch. Usually that means kind of making it look a little bit newer up front. Can I go do a guest slot on that British repair show? Seriously. Those guys, I would really love it if you called me. I will come to England, I will restore something. Hell, I'll come to England and I'll break something and then I'll restore it. That would be really fun. I'm gonna try a new toy. Let's just see how this does. There we go. This is Proxon, the makers of several objects that I have liked. We're going to use this stuff. Yeah, there we go. Let's try that. See what happens. I swear, this is absolutely the kind of thing I do off camera. It's like a Thursday. It's like 5:30 right now. This is usually when I'm heading home, or I've got like a few more minutes and I just feel like, oh, I got one more thing. Let me just take care of that. And these kind of improvements are the sort of side projects I do, like 10 of these a week. You know, something shows up and I just, you know, run it through its paces and fix it up on a sander or with a little tool. And I bought that Proxxon polisher partially because I was thinking I might need it for the, that I might need it for the Nagra, and I may still. But here is this beautiful lunchbox, I guess, from India. Ooh, a little bit dirty. Oh, so lovely. There you go. Oh, radical improvement. Very, very happy with this. I really dig these. This is, mwah, what a beautiful case. Thank you for joining me for this show and tell and a little bit of elbow grease. And yeah, man, it's all about the cases. This is a Coda. This is a Coda, because I'm sure you're like looking at this case and you're thinking, what are you going to store in there? And I'm like, I don't know, the severed head of Nicolas Cage. What else would you store in a case like this? Hey guys, Adam Savage from Tested here. If you've ever seen the 6-inch ruler in inches and centimeters on my forearm and wanted one of your own, but you didn't want it to be permanent, well, today's your lucky day. You can now buy temporary tattoos of my measuring stick, my measuring forearm, at tested-store.com. Comes like this, goes on in about 30 seconds with a little water. The instructions are on the back. It comes off with rubbing alcohol, and hopefully it warms you up to the idea of permanently attaching a measuring device to your body, because I use mine every single day.